Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hulu subscription, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Hulu subscription, start by visiting the Hulu website. Click on the Get Hulu button on the home page. You will be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. You'll need to create an account if you're a new user. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Review the terms and conditions, then click on the checkbox to agree. After that, click Continue to proceed. Next, enter your payment information in the designated fields. You can choose to pay with a credit card or PayPal. Double-check that all the information is correct. Once confirmed, click Submit. Hulu will process your payment and activate your subscription. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly after. Now, download the Hulu app on your device. The app is available on various platforms including smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. Open the app and sign in using the email and password you just registered. Once logged in, you can start exploring the content on Hulu. That's it. Your Hulu subscription is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.